Hello and welcome. My name is Diette and thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. Today I will show you a few nature-inspired projects I'm working on while further experimenting with the alcohol-based markers. Let's get started. For this first sketch, my goal was to try and stylize and simplify forms from still life. Once my beautiful bouquet of roses dried out, I wrapped a ribbon around them and hung them to the wall just using a pushpin. So I used this as a reference to start from. While simplifying the flower, leaf, and stem, I'm concentrating on the placement and composition within the bouquet. The next day, I decided to take the sketchbook outside and see what I can do with the plants that are on my balcony as a source of reference. The bleeding hearts were in bloom, so I wanted to spend some time capturing and studying what they look like. This plant only flowers for about a week, maybe two, giving me a small window of time to draw from life. I immediately took a stylized approach to drawing the bleeding hearts, but I was struggling, so I erased it and decided to illustrate as I see it first, before applying my interpretation to it. An advantage to drawing flowers that I own is that I can also touch them and try to convey how they feel. I can rip one off, pull the bloom apart, and actually look inside without worrying about destroying someone else's property. The bleeding heart is very strong and smooth. The shape and color are very precise and consistent. They aren't as delicate as they appear to me. Are stickers. I wanted to source another stylistic approach to nature, several of them in fact, so that I can use this for future reference. I also found a wallpaper sample that I cut out and pasted in. beautiful outdoor textile that I thought would look great on my chairs. It matches well with the bright orange of my sofa, and it complements all the plant life that is on my balcony. The tailoring of the cushions isn't overly complicated. I created them like a pillowcase. There's no zippers, no buttons, and it's easy just to throw it into the wash. I have a lot of cat hair to contend with, so easy cleaning is a practicality I need to consider when choosing fabrics.
Okay.
There is no harm in purely enjoying the tools that you're working with. I purchased a color book so that I can experiment and use my supplies without the added pressure of designing an image as well. I don't know about you, but when I'm parked in front of the TV, I enjoy coloring and doodling. It doesn't require much focus and it can be meditative. Additionally, it allows me to experiment freely with colors, different colors and values, to see how they interact with each other so I can become more comfortable with my choices. See you next time, and thanks for watching.